We are heading to iPic to watch Moana. Excited. I've seen the trailer 2 years ago, and now it's on the big screen. So we're gonna go and watch it. And then this guy right there is very serious because he's angry.
What do you mean 2 years ago?
Yeah, I think I've seen the trailers, more than one. The trailer 2 years ago or a year ago. I could be wrong though. But yeah, from the audition part to whatever.
It's like the making.
No, not the trailer. I was wrong, my bad. I think it's the trailer.
Oh, enough about the trailer. So, heading to iPic, it will be our third time.
How long is it from here?
Like 35 minutes.
Alright, so 35 minutes plus traffic. I don't know, maybe an hour. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.
What's up, guys? So we're here at Redmond Town Center, really in the center, and they have this big, humongous live Christmas tree right there. Focus, camera. I like the Christmas tree. What's up, guys? So we're here at iPic Theater.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
So we're inside here now with iPic. The show nothing yet. And Oni is like craving for the food.
Maybe let's try this with chicken Caesar salad boats.
What do you mean Caesar salad? Are you vegan now?
Let's try it, my mom.
I like beef steak.
I'm pretty excited.
May tell. Are you ready?
Where the sky meets the sea, it comes to me. And no one knows how far it
It's not Mona, it's Moana.